Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. This is where we try to get you to think a little bit different about remodeling.
Well, let's get out of the shower first.
Oh, we were in the shower.
So change orders is the subject today,
Yeah.
and it's not quite as scary as you think.
No, it's not. It's not. And it's always sounds like a scary term, change order, but all that really means is it's anything that's above and beyond the scope of project. So that's your proposal with your lump sum amount of what it's going to cost. So 9 times out of 10 change orders are homeowner driven. And then that last 10th time, maybe, it might be something that we discovered when we ripped up the floors or ripped out the walls and didn't know about it, and we address it at that time. But most of the time, it's homeowner driven. And we've got an example for you right behind us of one of the change orders on this job. And Michael.
So on this project, the homeowner wanted to have a bench, wanted to have some shelves, but it wasn't really, the shower wasn't big enough to put a true built-in bench, and he didn't really like having niches in the wall. And also a threshold on the floor that was not part of the original design. So we put in shelves that we actually made from...
I'm gonna go back in the shower.
We made from leftover pieces of the countertop. We made some shelves, and then we made a bench that was made from a leftover piece of the countertop, but that's, since it's a bench or a seat, it's reinforced with steel in the wall. Then also, they wanted to have a bit of a threshold in the shower, which was not part of the original plan. So we took, again, a part of the countertop and cut one long threshold along the bottom of the shower that also goes into where the water closet is. That was a homeowner-driven change order, no problem. It was easy to do. We just had to plan for it once we knew that he wanted it done.
Another change order we had on this particular job was right behind us. So right here is where a very large custom mirror is going to go. So originally we had scheduled for 4 sconce lights to be placed in the mirror. When we had it all wired, as you can see here, the homeowner kind of looked at it and was like, I think I like it better with 3 instead of 4. So let's do that. Since we already had it wired, the electrician had it wired for 4, that means we have to rewire and move some things around.
Cut new holes, move the boxes, move the wire. So that was a change order, but it was a customer-driven change order.
Right, and there's nothing wrong with it at all, nothing wrong with that. And in fact, we agree with the homeowner. I think it looks great with 3.
4 would have been too many.
3 sconce lights instead of 4, yeah. 4 would have definitely been too many. So hopefully you learned a few things today on Remodel Your Thinking, and don't be afraid of change orders. One of the other things we did want to say is that if you want to stay on track of your budget, once the proposal's signed, once the contract is signed, then we get to work. Stay focused. Don't watch home improvement shows after you sign the contract, and or even looking at photos and magazines and things online, because you don't want to go over your budget.
Right.
You know, we don't want you to go over your budget. We know you don't want to go over your budget. So anyway, hope you enjoyed, and please share or subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Remodel Your Thinking.
Bye-bye.
Bye.